Hello again, welcome back to my channel. Today already November the 17th 2021, and the leaves, I got a big tree right here in the back. It's a neighbor's tree. I still have some leaves on it, but as you can see, I don't know what kind of tree it is. It's a big one, and it's got this tiny leaves right here. They're not very big. I don't know what kind of tree it is. So you see that all over the backyard right here. They're all over the place. And well, one way to get rid of these leaves is to rake them, but since they are so small tiny leaves, it's gonna be a lot of work. So I'm gonna use the lawnmower. Got a Craftsman right here. That's my lawnmower, Craftsman. Right there, and I already got the discharge cover on. I'm gonna mulch the leaves, and then the leaves gonna be collecting in the collection bag right here. So make sure that when you want to mulch the grass, or of you like mulching the grass, so you have to have this cover on. Put this cover on, called the discharge cover. That's prevent the leaves from shooting out, so that you can mulch it. So today, instead of raking the leaves, I'm gonna use the my lawnmower right here to mulch the leaves and collect into the collection bag. I'm gonna dump it on the street. I think they're collecting the leaves right now, so let's start it up. Yeah, make sure that you set the you set it to number 3. You don't want to be too low. So set to number 3. This is how low you want your grass to get cut. So I'm gonna just set to number 3 right here. 1, 2, 3. Well, so as you can see, it doesn't take long at all. Less than 5 minutes, I clean up the backyard. Look, it's pretty clean. There are no more leaves in there. So that's the way you do it. And I say, if you want to do the hard way, rake it up with a rake, or just mulch it and to a collection bag right there. You see that? And then just dump it on the street, and the sanitation worker will collect these leaves in the fall. So just take it out and dump it in the street. So you can see it's so easy. Take about 5 minutes to do this. If you use the rake, it's gonna take you probably half an hour to do this job. So thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.